Orthopedic surgeons with decades of experience have noticed a clear pattern. After 60, leg strength doesn't decline just because of age. It declines because the body slows down its ability to rebuild muscle. And one of the biggest mistakes they see? What people eat first thing in the morning. Your muscles are constantly breaking down, and whether they get stronger or continue to weaken depends heavily on what you eat when you wake up. That's why your morning meal matters more than ever. Today, we'll look at simple, healthy foods you can eat in the morning to help prevent muscle loss and support rebuilding strength. 1. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is rich in high-quality protein, which your muscles need to repair and stay strong. As we age, the body requires more protein to get the same effect, and this makes Greek yogurt a great morning choice. It's also soft, easy to digest, and contains calcium to support both muscle and bone health. 2. Oats. Oats provide steady, slow-releasing energy that keeps your muscles fueled throughout the morning. They also contain magnesium and iron, which support muscle function and help reduce fatigue. For seniors, this steady energy can make everyday movements like walking or standing feel easier. 3. Nuts. Nuts like almonds and walnuts offer a mix of protein, healthy fats, and important nutrients that help reduce inflammation and support muscle recovery. They also support nerve health, which plays a key role in balance and coordination, something that becomes more important with age. Which of these foods do you already eat in the morning? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more.